Welcome to HubMesh. Here are today's trending GitHub developer tools and AI agents. Next up, metagolifeform, which helps developers transform AI agents into self-evolving, rule-following entities. This TypeScript agent harness provides a runtime control layer to govern and evolve AI agent behavior. It integrates 39 distinct skills and 53 MCP tools across 7 different platforms, enhancing agent capabilities. Developers can easily install and verify metagolifeform, then prompt their agents to confirm its integration. This project is ideal for making AI agents traceable and reliable, so check out metagolifeform on GitHub. Next up, claude-code-proxy, which lets you use Claude Code's interface with your existing ChatGPT, Kimi, Cursor, or Grok subscription. This Rust-based local proxy translates requests, enabling you to leverage other AI providers through Claude Code's familiar environment. So check out claude-code-proxy on GitHub. Next up, telegraf, which helps developers collect, process, and aggregate diverse metrics and logs. It offers over 300 plugins for system monitoring and cloud services, so check out telegraf on GitHub. Next up, BitFun helps developers build and run desktop-grade AI agents locally. This REST-based runtime provides a suite of applications, including a code agent and a cowork agent. BitFun agents can understand complex contexts, use tools, and correct deviations for long-horizon tasks. They feature memory, personality, and the ability to evolve, making them highly adaptable. Check out BitFun on GitHub to explore its capabilities and star the repository. Next up, skills. It helps developers build self-triggering AI agents that continuously learn and improve. This project provides a plug-in marketplace for creating these loop engineers that automatically pick up work and ship code. Check out Skills on GitHub to leverage these powerful tools for building compounding agent workflows. Next up, Recall helps developers avoid repeatedly re-explaining their projects to Claude Code. This Python tool provides durable, entirely offline memory for your AI, saving valuable tokens. It works by locally logging and summarizing past sessions, creating a concise project context. Check out Recall on GitHub to give Claude Code persistent memory without extra API costs. Next up, agentos helps developers build robust AI agents with persistent memory and dynamic tool creation. This TypeScript framework supports multi-agent orchestration and integrates with 11 different large language model providers. Check out agentos on GitHub to create intelligent agents that remember and adapt over long sessions. Next up, Looper helps developers design visual, review-gated agent loops for Claude Code before running them. This Python tool guides you through defining goals, plans, and review gates, even integrating external models for judging. It critiques your design against best practices, then lets you run or save your portable loop specification. So check out Looper on GitHub. Next up, runagent simplifies serverless deployment of your AI agents. It offers a powerful command line interface and multi-language SDK support. This enables built-in agent invocation and streaming, ensuring reliable operations at scale. Developers benefit from secured, efficient AI agent deployment, so check out runagent on GitHub. Next up, Agent Slack, which provides a command line interface for AI agents to automate Slack interactions efficiently. It helps agents read, search, and write messages, manage channels, and handle artifacts, inviting you to check it out on GitHub. Subscribe to HubMesh for more daily GitHub developer tools and agent projects.